In this video, we are going to see the third sum of some more applications of trigonometry. What this sum is coming to explain to us, first we will read this sum very carefully, line by line you have to learn, read this and you have to understand this one first. First of all, this type of sums, what they given there, first you have to read and analyze the sum and try to draw a right angle triangle from that one. Maybe it may be a one right angle triangle, otherwise a two right angle triangle, whatever it will be, depending upon the sum. So in this sum, what they are going to tell to us and what type of diagram is coming, we will see. First we will read the sum. A contractor plans to install two slides. Slide is what? This in the park we are seeing, the slider. We are playing, that only, that slider. It will be like this only. We used to slide like this. Okay, that slider for the children to play in a park, only for children. Okay, children to play in a park. For the children below the age, here also they given age category. The children below the age of 5 years. So 5 years below one slide. She prefers to have a slide whose top is at a height of 1.5 meter. What she is preferring? She is preferring 5 years for 5 years children. What is the top? It will be 1.5 meter. The slide whose top is at a height of 1.5 meter and it is inclined at an angle of 30 degree. That means its top slide is like this. Its top is 1.5 meter from the ground level and the incline means what? Where that slide is touching the ground. Incline means this is the incline point, inclined. This is the incline point. What the angle it is making? It is making 30 degree to the ground, whereas for elder children, she wants to have a steep slide at a height of 3 meter. She wants another slide also for other elder children. The height of that one he required is 3 meter and inclined at an angle of 60 degree to the ground. Again, inclination is 60 degree from the ground. What should be the length of the slide in each case? So what is the length of the slide? That means this is the length of the slide. This length only they are preferring from us. This length only we have to find from us. In this one we are seeing means the two triangle we can be able to draw separately. No need to draw together. Here two separate triangles we got from this some explanation. Now we have to proceed and find the length of that triangle. Okay, let us proceed. We already discussed this diagram, how it is coming from the sum. We discussed. Now we will proceed and derive the answer from this sum. Okay. First we will take this triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, where the angle is here, and this is this 1.5 meter. It is the opposite side of this angle, and this part is the hypotenuse. Always the slope side is your hypotenuse. Don't forget. So this is our hypotenuse. Now opposite and hypotenuse is with us. So which ratio, trigonometry ratio is representing opposite and hypotenuse? We will see. That is coming in sin theta only. Sin theta only representing opposite by hypotenuse. If you forgot means one easy way I will tell you. Follow this. So cato. S means sine, O opposite, H hypotenuse, C representing cos, A is for adjacent and H is for hypotenuse, T is for tan and O is opposite, A is adjacent. Keep this in mind. So cato. So this SOHCAHTOA is telling us that is sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse. So sin theta is opposite. What the theta value is? Theta value is 30 degree. So sin 30 degree. Opposite side what the value is? Opposite side is 1.5 and hypotenuse is We have to find AC. So sin theta is 1 by sin 30 degrees 1 by 2 and 1.5 AC. Now AC only we have to find, cross this AC here and bring the 2 here. 1 into AC is AC, 2 into 1.5 is 3. So we will do that. Here 1 is the value, so no, it is not going to give any change in that one. So leave the 1. It is 3 meter. So this slide is 3 meter length it is having for the small children. For the younger children, what it is representing, for that another triangle we got that. What is a triangle? PQR is the triangle for us. In this triangle, P 3 meter is the opposite side and this as usual PR is the slope for us. This length only we are going to find. So we will use this triangle PQR. In triangle PQR, sin theta is sin, this is also opposite and hypotenuse, so it is sin only, sin 60 degree, opposite is 3, hypotenuse is PR. Now sin 30 degree, 60 degree value is what? Root 3 by 2 and 3 by PR. Now you exchange this one, crisscross it, that time you will get PR will come in the place of root 3 will go here. So PR equal to 3 by, this root 3 is coming here, root 3, 2 is going here, so we multiply by 2. So PR value is 6 by root 3. If you are leaving like this means they will take 1/2 mark from your from your mark. So if it is no problem means leave here, but doing rationalization is good for us. It will give full mark to you. So root 3 rationalization means what? The denominator root 3 we are having. This is an irrational number. So multiply the root 3 up and down. You will get a rational number now. So multiply root 3 up and down. Now you are getting 6 root 3 by root 3 into root 3 is 3. Now you cancel it. It will be 2 root 3 meter. Suppose in the question they are representing root 3. In the question they given 1.7 like this. Then the value they represented means use this value here and multiply it. How? 2 into that 1.71 you multiply and give the value. If they are not represented there in the question means leave here itself, it's enough for us. I hope you understand. If you have any doubts means leave that in comments. I try to clear it. If you like this means, like this procedures means, like it, share it with your friends. Thank you.